Hello and welcome to this continued snippet where we would be exploring something briefly on Active Directory users and computer snapping. So in the previous video we explored how to find a user, and if you use the find functionality of a user, and for instance we use it to find John Fergal, and you're trying to find exactly what location of that user object is so that you can manually go and find it to do certain things that maybe the find functionality wouldn't permit you to do, you would obviously first find the user, go to the user and click on object, and it tells you exactly where the location is, and it tells you more information about the object, where it is, when it was created, when it was modified, and some other things that we'll be exploring as well. And it tells you it's in this forest and it's in this user group and this is where it is. So then you can manually go and find what you're looking for. You go to users and it's here. Now, in this video, we're just going to explore how to reset a user's password. So say John is a user and they have forgotten their password and they want you to reset their password for them. Obviously, that's a basic level 1 support query, but then it wouldn't hurt to just know how to do that if you're someone who haven't been through the beginner course and you're using this one as your point of learning curve. So you right click on John Fergal, and the option that normally comes a chunk, and you have the option to reset the password to whatever you want to set it to, and based on company policy you can either leave this ticked or unticked and follow whatever policies and procedures you need to do to make sure the user has their own password. So you put in the new password, and voila, you share that password with the user. If you don't know where John is, obviously in an organization where there's so many users, you can use the find function, maybe entire directory, John, find now, and equally you can have the option to reset the password as well. But the problem with the find function is that you see this list of properties that you have that you can choose from. You normally wouldn't have that in the find approach. Normally, if you find a user manually in the group and you right click, see you have this list that's longer. So just to keep you aware of, the various ways of finding stuff depending on what you want to do. So that's how you reset a user password, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.